Sa isang magandang larawan, paulit-ulit na binabanggit ang pangalang nakasanayan. Tayo ay pinagtagpo, ngunit hindi tinadana. Sadyang
Hi, I'm again. Today Lorbis from Batangas State University, taking Bachelor of Science in Technology, Section 2105. For this video, I'm discussing the summary of Chapter 4, the Network Access. So, let's begin. Summary of Network Access. TCP/IP Network Access Layer equivalent to OSI Data Link Layer, the physical layer 1. The OSI layer, physical layer, provides a means of transport. The bits of make up data link framework across the network media. The physical components are the electronic hardware devices, the media, and the connectors that transmit carry the signal, the bits. Hardware components such as network adapters, NICs or NICs, physical layers standards suggest three functional areas: physical components, firm encoding techniques, and signaling method. Using proper media and important parts of network communication without properly connection entire wire and wireless communication between any two devices with occurs. Wire communication consists of copper media and fiber cable. There are three main copper media used in network: shield twisted pairs or UTP, shield twisted pair STP, or coaxial cable or UTP cable, most commonly copper network media. A optical fiber cable has become a popular interconnecting infrastructure network devices and permit the transmission of data in or longer distance and high bandwidth data rules than any others network media like copper wires. Fiber optic cable can transmit signals and less annotation and complete immune and IME and RFI. So what is IME and RFI? Can be distort network signals because interface from fluorescent light and electric motors. Annotation results distortion in network signals as trouble along copper cabling. Wireless devices can be expressed as loss in signal because excessive distance from access point, but it's not crosstalk. Crosstalk is distant disturbance caused by the electronic and magnetic field signal carried by adjacent with the same cable. So, wireless media carry electronic magnet signals that represent the binary digits and data communication using radio or microwave frequency. The number of wireless enabled devices continues to increase. For this reason, wireless has become the medium of choice for the network and quickly gaining popularity in enterprise network. The data link handles the exchange of frames between nodes over a network media. It allows the upper layers to access the media and control how data is placed received on the media. Among different implementation of the link layer protocols, there are different methods of controlling access to the media. This media access control techniques define if and how the nodes share the media. The actual media access controls the method. It depends topology and media settings. LAN 1 topologies can be physical or logical. It is logical topology influence the type of network framing the media access control. Use once are commonly interconnected using the point-to-point hub spoke mesh physical topologies in shared media LAN and devices can be inverted. Use the star bus ring extended physical topologies. All data link layers protocols encapsulate the layer 3 of PDU within the data field and frame. However, the structure the frame the field contains header table ordering protocols. Physical layer media. These are the basic form network media. Physical layer produce representation of groupings bits for each type of media as copper cable. The signal are patterned electrical pulse. Fiber optic cable. The signal are patterned in off light. Wireless signal pattern in microwave transmission. To enable physical interoperability, all aspects are all aspect of this function is covered by standard organization. Big the straight a straight throat cable is commonly used in interconnect the host and switch as a switch to a router. A crossover cable is used to interconnect similar devices together, like switch to switch, a host to host, or a router to router. If switch has a MDIX capability, a crossover could be used to connect which the switch router. However, that option that able the router cable is used to connect router switch and portable. Copper cabling is used cheaper and easier to install fiber optics cabling. However, fiber cables is generally have much greater signaling range than copper. The light can be used to travel in one direction down to a single strand of fiber. In order to allow full duplex communication, two strands of fiber must be connected devices. The three areas concerned of wireless networks focuses on the size of coverage area and any nearby inter, interference and providing network liquidity. Extensive cabling in a concern for a wireless network. A wireless network will require minimal cabling for providing wireless access. The host mobility option and what components are concerned wireless network. The data link layer is responsible for exchange frame between nodes over the physical network media, especially the data link layer perform the two services in accept layer 3 packets and encapsulate them into frame. Into it provides access control and perform anomaly detection, but termination is service provided at layer 3. A layer 2 switch built in MAC addresses stable apart propagation, but the termination is not services that provide data link. Physical topologies show that physical interconnection show device. Logical topologies show the network transfer between the connected nodes. A trailer in data link frame contains error detection information that pertinent to the frame includes the FCS fields. The header contains control information such as the addressing while Areas indicates the word data include transport PDU and IP header. When data travel connect on the media, it is converted with string 1s to OS. The framing process insert the destination directly beginning frame. There are two data lake sublayer MAC and LCC. LCC sublayer is responsible for communicating with the network layer for tagging frames to identify the three protocols is encapsulate. Bandwidth is a measure of the capacity of the network medium to carry the data. This amount of data can move between the 2 points of network over the specific period of time, typically 1 second. Logic LLC or logical link control is the data link sublayer defined software process provides service to network protocols. LLC places information in the frame. That frame information identifies a network layer protocol encapsulate frame. A hybrid topology is a variation of the combination of point-to-point and hub and spoke mesh topology. This is included in the extend star topology. So this is my summary of the 4. Thank you for watching. God bless.